the 2020 BMW X5. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. BMW prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a tachometer, a built-in garage door transmitter, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and a split-folding rear seat. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop in and take a test drive.